Hello everybody. Hey, I want you to take 10 minutes and grab yourself a cup of coffee here and watch this video. Hopefully you can find something entertaining, informational, and maybe enlightening. Another day, another project. Hey, I took the Jeep out and we were driving around at night. And I turned on the light, and they work. They all work great. But the problem is, I don't know which one's on. You know, because they're on different switches. So you turn them all on, and they're nice. And I got green ones underneath for just 4. And I couldn't tell which ones were on. So what I'm going to do is I've got 3 switches. Let me show you the switches. I put these in here last summer. We got the 3 switches right here. We got for the fog lights, and then this tail light, that'll run a light on the back that just gives me more light in the back, and it'll run the green lights underneath there also. And then this is for the driving lights. So I have no, in the nighttime, I can't read those. And I don't drive it enough to remember. So what I'm going to do is today I'm going to attempt to put these little lights on there because they are the colors that I have, that I'm using on there. So they got the yellow, the green, and then the driving lights. That'd be the white ones, what I'd use for that, or the fog lights. Fog lights would be the yellow one. Yeah, anyway. I got these off Amazon. I'll show you, put that on there right now, show you what that is. But what we're going to do is pop up the hood, get that up, and then I got to find a place that I can put those on the dash somewhere, or somewhere in there that I can see them, because they're not going to be too bright. I'll be running individual wiring there. Got that on the wiring card here. And we'll get that hooked up, and I'll show you step by step if I can. Okay, here's where I think I'm going to try to put it. Let me see if you can see that panel. I already took it off. But that looks like a great place to put them little lights right down in here somewhere. So they just shine down on my legs. That just pulls right out. But one guy said he had problems with his busting. I don't know if mine busted or not. It doesn't look like it did. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put white grease on everything here that slides into anything. That one looks like it's missing. Maybe it's stuck in there. And let's see if we see it in there anywhere. I don't see it anywhere. If I find out that it is stuck in there, I'll pull it out. Maybe somebody already busted it. First time I've had it off. But anyway, we're going to drill some holes and set them little lights in here. Then we just got to run them right up to the switches here. So let's get that done. These are the wires we're going to be running right there. We're going to use, like I said, I think we're going to use the green one. That's for my green underglow lights. And it also runs the lights that are on the back of the rig. And this one is going to run the fog lights. And then the white one is the driving lights. So let me show you the lights I'm talking about on the back of here. These are the ones that hook up to the RV. And I thought, well, while they're there, I might as well, like if I'm on the road or in a foggy condition, I can click them on too. Otherwise, they just run with the RV. You hook them up, hook the RV up, and they blink and do all that stuff. Anyway, so let's see if we can get these mounted. Then we got to run some wires. This is really small wire, way smaller than I got over there. So let's see what we can do. Well, that's what they look like, and I tested them out on the battery over there, and they're very bright. I'm glad I got them under the dash and not in my eyeballs. So that's the way they are. The switches are lined up, plus they're different colors, so I'll know what's what. Now all we got to do is flip it over, and then we're going to solder some wires. We were going to solder wires on here, but I think I'm going to put some plug-ins on it, so if I need to pull the dash out, I can just unplug these wires rather than have to cut them. Well, my goodness. It took a lot of tools to get this done, to get it done right. We wrapped the wires, we soldered the wires, we got everything right. We got some, replaced some ends, and they're all hooked up into the switches. Had to open up the door because I had to have the motor running for everything to work, because I got stuff turned up, fixed up. These are fixed up. They'll go off when I turn the key off, no matter what. If I forget and leave them on, they go off anyway. So I had to have the thing running, but there's what they look like. And they work great. I don't think I can turn any of them on without starting it up, but they work, take my word for it. And they're just enough light to know that there's something on, and nighttime it'll work great. It'll also give me a little light for my feet down there if I have them on. So I'm happy with that. You've seen what these are and how much they are. They are a 10 millimeter, by the way. So you're going to need that to be able to screw them on. But I'm going to call that done for the day. That's a little bit of the Jeep work. What do you say? Let's talk Jeep, okay? Oh, now what? Man, am I bored. Come on, spring. Hope you enjoyed that little video right there. Hey, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a notification on all these videos coming up, and there's a lot of them. Hey, also, if you want to help out this channel a little bit, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. You get all the videos way earlier, plus there's a lot of bonus videos on there from all years back. Thanks for watching.